Which of the following is equal to log base 3 of 8 divided by log base 9 of 16 times log base 4 of 10? In the given answer choices, we have to find the one that is equal to the given expression over here. When I go over the given answer choices, we have logarithm, and for each logarithm we have base 10. So we have to simplify this expression to a single logarithm with base 10. Okay, now let me take the given expression as it is. That is log base 3 of 8 divided by log base 9 of 16 times log base 4 of 10. Okay, here in denominator, two logarithms are multiplied. Since the two logarithms in denominator are multiplied, we can move these two logarithms to numerator. Okay, first let me write this logarithm, that is a log base 3 of 8. When I move this logarithm to numerator, I have to switch these two values. Then I'm getting log base 16 of 9. When I move this one to numerator, I have to switch these two values. Then I'm getting log base 10 of 4. Okay, here my aim is to get a base 10 for all the logarithms. So here for the first logarithm, the base is 3. Okay, now to get base 10 for this first logarithm, what I need to do is I have to write two logarithms in division, that is log over log. Okay, now for both the logarithms, I have to write a base 10. Okay, for the logarithm in numerator, I have to take this 8 as the argument, and for the logarithm in denominator, I have to take this base 3 as the argument. So this is a way to change the base of the given logarithm. Whenever I want to change the base of a given logarithm, I have to write two logarithms in a fraction, and for both the logarithms, whatever base I want, I can take it, but I have to take the same base for both the logarithms. And whatever argument we have over here, the same argument can be taken for a logarithm in numerator, and the base over here should be taken as an argument for the logarithm in denominator. The same thing we can do for the second logarithm to get a base 10, because here the base is not 10, it's 16. Then we get log base 10 over here, log base 10. Now let's take this 9 as argument over here. We can take this 16 as an argument for the logarithm in denominator. And we don't have to change the base of this logarithm because already we have the base 10. Okay, here log base 10 of, we can write this 4 as 2 square for simplification. Now log base 10, we can write this 8 as 2 to the third power divided by log base 10. We can write this here as it is. Okay, times log base 10 of this 9 can be written as 3 square divided by log base 10 of this 16 can be written as 2 to the fourth power. And here we can use the power rule of logarithm. That is, whenever the argument of a logarithm is a power, the exponent over here can be moved in front of logarithm and it has to be multiplied by the logarithm. Then we get 2 times log base 10 of 2. And the same thing we can do for all the logarithms over here except this one. Okay, then we get, let me continue over here, that is, we can move this exponent 3 in front of logarithm. Then we get 3 times log base 10 of 2 divided by log base 10 of 3 times 2 times log base 10 of 3 divided by 4 times log base 10 of 2 times 2 times log base 10 of 2. Okay, here this log base 10 of 2, log base 10 of 2 can be cancelled. 2 goes into 2 one times, 2 goes into 4 2 times. Here this 2 will cancel out. Here log base 10 of 3, log base 10 of 3 will cancel out. Okay, now I am getting 3 times log base 10 of 2. Okay, I simplified the given expression to a single logarithm with base 10. I find this stuff, that is 3 times log base 10 of 2 in answer choice B. So this is the one which is equal to the given expression. The correct answer choice for this question is B.